And I remember it was Easter Sunday. After going to church, my hair fell out, and I go, "Oh well, God, I'm sure I'm gonna get it back." And so I did the process of searching. So she put it on. I mean, I could not believe it. And I said, "No way." I said, I was like this. No way. I have it on YouTube video. There was a video of me before and after. I mean, I was like shocked. I couldn't even talk. I mean, I had tears in my eyes. It was amazing. I was like, I had the appointments. I had to see people. I said, I could not get out. I said, oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? The first thing I did, I stopped in Marshall because there's a Marshall. I bought all hair dryers, curling iron, bar rats, sunglasses, all kinds of stuff for the hair. Then I went home. I was there for like maybe 8 hours to 10 hours in front of the mirror. The microwave, oh, give me a mirror. I was like this. What I did the next day, my brother has a restaurant, so I went over there. Everybody said, is that you, Angie? And I go, that's right. I called people, all the people that worked in Florida, in Italy. But I called, no one, I got here. He used to work with me a long time ago. Says, I got here. I called everybody. My mother, she goes, oh my God, Angie, I'm so happy. She's 87 years old. I said, I cannot believe this. I felt like so wonderful, so great. I cannot explain it because you got to go through all that, which I don't wish that on people. But there is help. There is help.